Hey everybody, it's Ron with Ron's Computer Videos. You've been through this before. Anyway, I wanted to take a little bit of time out today because Barber was really nice. He sent me a couple of BlueSCSI kits recently, and I also bought some new sort of soldering accessories to kind of make my life a little bit easier. I bought one of those PCB holders. I'm pretty sure that it was either Justin D. Morgan or Xodium had bought the exact same one recently, and they kind of stumbled maybe on the exact same thing that I did, which is that it's good for some things, it's not good for other things. You might need more than one, or you might need something that's maybe like a little more adjustable. But it worked pretty good today in conjunction with my silicon mat to go ahead and just go ahead and get some things soldered together, so not too bad. But I also bought, probably the best thing that I bought was like a fume extractor, because I bought some like real flux based on a recommendation from Bruce from Brinkus Creations, not to keep name dropping all these great people, but seriously, check their stuff out. And it produces a lot of smoke or a lot of fumes, and not great. I breathed some in, and it was like breathing in sort of like burning super glue. Not great. So anyway, I bought a fume extractor to kind of help, and I basically just threw a video together to test out some of these items. So anyway, if you don't mind, just join me for just a leisurely build of a BlueSCSI, and then probably sometime in the next week or so I'm going to go ahead and make another video. Don't forget, if you're watching this on Sunday, June 5th, later today will be Retro Repair Roundup, and I'll show off some things that I'm going to solder later in the week. So anyway, if you're watching the channel chronologically, this will all make sense. If you were just hopping in for the first time, this will make no sense, but hang out anyway. So thanks, and here's the video of me soldering some stuff together using these new tools. Well, not too bad. I mean, things could have been better. I had a couple of little mistakes along the way and things like that, and kind of second guessing myself. But generally, things worked pretty well. It's nice on the new version of the PCB that they have like a indication for the direction that the terminators are supposed to go in, because I know that for a long time that was kind of a little thing that tripped a lot of people up. So I am sure that my soldering technique is not up to somebody like Joe from Joe's Computer Museum, or Steve, or any of these guys that do this professionally. I just do this for fun. So these are fun little builds. The only thing that's kind of fiddly is the SD card slot, and really if you just have a little bit of magnification, which I've got some magnification goggles, it makes all the difference. And less is more, tappa, and and before you get too crazy, always make sure you do your lowest components first, and then just kind of build up in height. And there's nothing saying you can't take an old SD card and stick it in there just to make sure that everything aligns, because man, it would really suck to get to the end of this project. You're all excited, you want to go ahead and get your classic Mac or Apple II or something like that back up and running, and the SD card slot is slightly off. I think the very first time I built one, it was kind of like slightly at an angle and it wouldn't go in all the way, so I had to redo that. But anyway, this was a very fun build. Thank you, Tom, and of course, thanks Eric Helgeson for kind of kicking off and getting the whole BlueSCSI project going for Macintosh users. So big thanks to him as well. If you want more information, you can go out to the BlueSCSI website. So check that out. And I guess until next time, Apple II forever.